This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford.
Well, sure, there are flowers and boxes of chocolates, but if you really want to wow that special someone in just a matter of weeks for Valentine's Day, a romantic gourmet experience is just the ticket. And you just need to call and make reservations with my friend here.
Yeah.
That's right. Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford, and Chef Zeus is going to wow that special someone, right?
Yes, we are going to do our best.
Or just
right.
call you Cupid.
We're actually we consider ourselves like wingmen.
Okay,
All right, we're
Cupid's
wingmen.
wingman.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
I like that. All right. So look, we are offering our Valentine's menu beginning February 6th, okay? And we're going to run that menu all the way through to February 21st.
Oh,
All right?
Nice.
So we are fully booked for Valentine's and all the days surrounding it. So that gives some of our other guests the opportunity to come in, enjoy the menu, even if it's a little before Valentine's or after Valentine's. So a lot of cool stuff coming up. Hey, our 6-year anniversary.
Really?
Wow, how about that?
Yes, so we opened on February 13th
That's incredible.
of 2020, which also happens to be my birthday.
How about
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, so we
Wow.
share birthday, the restaurant and I.
And
So,
also, you've been on the show
yes,
6 years.
it's been over 6 years.
Over
yes.
6
Yep,
years.
I don't want to break down and cry, so we're going to start
Let's
cooking.
cook.
All right, so look, these are 3 items that are off the Valentine's menu. All right, we have a starter day, we have an entree, and we have a dessert. Now, we are offering escargot.
Ooh.
All right.
Okay.
So we don't typically see these this way. So this is a fresh escargot, and we have stuffed these with a really nice garlic, shallot, and herb butter. All right, and these guys are going to go in the oven, okay? And they're going to roast in the oven and just get nice and warm, and all that butter in there is going to get nice and buttery and it's going to do what butter does. All right. So we're going to place these in the oven. All right. And here I have this set to about 400 degrees, so it's only going to take about 3 minutes.
Okay.
All right. At the restaurant, they go a little bit faster because we're cranked up there. All right.
Okay.
So we're going to get those in the
Those
oven.
in, all right.
And what we're going to do is we're going to get started with one of our entrees. This is our shrimp Valentino. All right. Where the name comes from, I don't know. It's my middle name, Valentino.
Well, there you go.
So I'm like, all right, and it's Valentine's Day, so this is what we're doing. So, very simple, right? Very simple. We're going to start off with some of our shrimp, all right? And what we have here is a 1315 shrimp, all natural, all right? No chemicals, none of that stuff, because we don't do that at Benvenuto, all right? So we're just going to get this spice on here, all right?
Okay.
We're going to get these guys going. And again, your shrimp should only take you but, a minute and a half per side, all right? Super hot pan, all right? For those of you guys at home that don't think we're cooking, we're really cooking
are
here.
cooking.
All right? All right, so our shrimp's going, okay?
All right.
Now, we're going to start the pasta portion of this. And very simple, we're going to do a little bit of olive oil, okay? We're going to add some of these peppers, all right? Which have already been roasted, all right? We're gonna add some capers to this, and this is very simple. Very super fast dish to do, all right? So we're just gonna kind of get these a little bit warmed up, all right? And to this, we're gonna add some bucatini, all right? Little bucatini pasta.
That's the one with the hole in the middle.
Yes, so if you look closely, you're gonna see it has a little hole in there.
Yep.
Right? Exactly, so we're gonna add some bucatini to this, all right? And we are going to come over here and add our garlic stock. So this has white wine, stock, and garlic, all right? All right.
Wow. That
Some of
sounds
my
amazing.
favorite things, all right? We're going to season this with a little salt, all right? We're going to do a little bit of pepper, all right? And we're going to crank this up a little bit, all right? And we're going to put a lid on it. Now, what we're going to do is flip our shrimp. Remember, as I said, only a minute and a half. See how
Right.
beautiful that looks?
It is beautiful.
All right. So we know we did good on one side. Now it's about the other side, all right? So what we have going right now is our shrimp. We have our pasta going. We have our escargot in the oven.
Right.
And I think right now is a perfect time to take a quick break. All right. And when we come back, we're going to show you how it's all put together.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford.
It is one of our favorite tools to see here in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, the mighty blowtorch. Under the careful eye of someone like Chef Zeus from Benvenuto restaurant, of course.
We are putting together some dishes you're going to find on this Valentine's Day menu. So what else are we doing here? We're bringing this down the home stretch, aren't we?
Yes, we are. So look, we're going to add some fresh peas to our Valentino. We're going to add a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay. And this is what's going to finish this guy off. We're going to add a little bit of lemon juice, all right?
Okay.
All right, to bring that edge, okay? And this one's ready to plate. Now, I think our escargot is ready, so we're going to put that up here, all right? Look at that. That's beautiful. Can we get a close-up on that, guys?
Yeah, tip it a little bit
looks-
so they can
that
get
looks
that.
amazing.
Look at that.
Look at that.
All that garlic, all right? So I think, that's perfect. So I think what we're going to do now is we're going to start on our creme brulee.
Okay.
So you've done this before, right?
I have, yeah. I'm hoping I do it properly for you.
And that's perfect amount of sugar. So so you want to kind of
swirl it around.
get it around, and then just leave that little top layer on there.
Okay.
All right, because we want a nice sugar to custard ratio. Okay. And I trust we're going to be good over here. All
Ready
right.
to go?
And you can do 2 of those. One for yourself. I don't know if you want to make one for Lisa.
I
It's up
can't
to
have
you.
both myself.
You can. It's up to you.
Again, choices, consequences, okay?
Fire it up.
So when my sous chef is working on that, I want to show you how we do these, okay? So this here is our snail plate, our escargot plate, okay? And this just makes it easier for our guests. See that?
Yeah.
So these guys just kind of fall right in there, and it just makes for a really, really nice presentation.
I gotta tell you something.
Yes.
I've never had escargot before.
Well, there's always a first time for everything, right? So this Valentine's, it's going to be popping.
Gonna be
All
pop.
right. So this is how easy this is to do. And again, it's just about the preparation. I always say the separation is in the preparation, all right? So as long as you're prepared, all right, we're going to be good. All right, so look how beautiful this presentation is, right? With our escargot. So we just want to get all these guys in there. All right, and this guy's done. I'm going to remove this, all right, because he's nice and hot. Okay.
All we got
Our
left is our
escargot's
shrimp,
done.
right?
Yeah, the shrimp's ready. Now, these escargot, we also serve them. That looks amazing.
that
You're
good?
doing a beautiful
Yeah?
job on that. We have some beautiful little crostini there for that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up this shrimp Valentino. All right, so we have the Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay. We have our peppers in here. All right, and it's just a really, really nice dish. All right. Super simple. We're just going to kind of lay this down like such. Okay, see the nice colors that we have in
Oh,
there?
that's beautiful.
It almost says Valentine's
It
Day.
really does.
Right? We're going to remove this.
Okay.
And then we have our perfectly cooked shrimp, okay, that we're going to lay down. And I'm just going to go right across here, like that. All right. Remember, we eat with our eyes?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful presentation.
Yeah, we learn that every year now.
Right? How about last week? All right.
How about
We
that?
learned last
We
week.
definitely
yes,
ate
we
with
did.
our eyes, okay? So we have that. And then what I like to do is just finish with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, all right? Just to make that nicely glistening, all right?
Look at that.
That's
is
the shrimp
gorgeous.
Valentino.
We got about a
All
minute
right.
to taste
Well,
all
guess
of this.
what? We are going to, because that creme brulee looks awesome.
Look good?
All right, and
All
then
right.
what we like to do is, we just like to do a little strawberry here.
Oh, right.
All right, because we got to bring some healthiness into this, right?
We do? Oh, we
We're
do,
gonna
right.
Some blueberries, which are super healthy. Look at that. And you know what? And that sugar, because remember, we have a nice cold custard, that sugar's going to harden in no time, okay? And because you have to have that, right? Look at that, that one sunk right in there. That's
It did.
perfect. Good job. All right, we'll put some blueberries on this one as well, okay? And we have our dessert, okay? We have our starter, which is our escargot, and we
this
have
is
this
the moment
beautiful
that-
Valentino. Yes, and look, if you want to do a little
Might be
bit
a little
of
hot.
fresh lemon on here as well, you can. All right, if you
Okay,
want to
so
do a
you
little,
just pick it up and you.
just pick it up, and you just want to go in there. Yep, go that way, and you'll be able to get that.
I'm just pushing it down in there.
Yeah,
You gotta-
you want to kind of go on an angle, and yep,
There we go.
there it is.
I'm
And if not,
failing.
try another one.
I will try another one. Here, this one I see that one. There we
There
go.
you go,
That
now you
one
got it.
looks
All right.
like a better one.
And this is your first escargot, huh?
This is.
You're gonna love it, I'm telling you.
Okay.
All right, here we
Here
go.
you go.
Cheers.
Oh, that's really good.
Isn't it?
Oh, it's got a little kick to it too.
It really is. It really is. And you don't really see them anymore on menus. Sometimes you do see them, maybe some of the canned ones that are just sauteed in the butter. This is a much better, preparation. I love it. There's a little nostalgia that comes with it, with using the shells. And look, that's our Valentino. You
Okay.
definitely want to try that.
Okay. Well, we're gonna take a little break, and we're gonna taste everything a little bit.
can't wait.
Running out of time here.
Let's do
Stick
it.
around.
All right.